So this video might be helpful for you, so please do watch this video till the end. In the meanwhile, you can also go to the CodeSwami's website, where you can find cool blogs on Azure automation and stuff related to PowerShell. So please do like, share and subscribe the CodeSwami's channel on YouTube, and do visit this blog post. You can also follow us on Instagram. So let's jump over to the process of closing the tasks running in the background. So the one way of closing your tasks running in the background is via the task manager, which you can find by hitting the Ctrl Alt Delete and selecting the task manager. So that way also you can see the tasks running in your background, and you can close this. The other way, the PowerShell way of doing these things is by using the command get processes. So if you are wondering like how he has split this two screens into a single frame, so this is one of the cool feature of Windows 11. When you can just hover over this square box and you can select the number of screens you want to view in one frame. So you can also try this. For this demo, I have selected this two equally spaced windows in one frame. So yeah, so that's how I did this splitting screens. So let's get back to the task manager. So the PowerShell way of doing these things is by entering this command, which is get processes. So let me go ahead and hit run. So we can see the list of processes running. So yeah, here we can see all the details of the processes like Outlook, Edge, Teams and Task Manager, etc. So if you want to clear the space, and if you want to close one of the processes running, so you can go ahead and enter the stop process command, and you can mention the name of that of the application which is running in your background. So it will be a really cool and fast way of closing any processes. So I'll go ahead and I'll try to close the Outlook directly from the PowerShell. So when I hit run, boom, Outlook is closed, and you can see here in Task Manager as well, the Outlook process has been closed successfully. So this is one of the way of closing the Outlook directly via the PowerShell. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll be posting some new cool videos around PowerShell and Azure automation. So yeah, thanks, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. And once again, thanks for watching. Yeah, bye bye.